Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your display and game settings so changes are effective. First, open doors and set brightness and gamma a little higher. Small steps prevent blown highlights. Once done, make sure your GPU drivers are up to date and your power profile is high performance because drivers affect rendering. Also, close overlays like Discord or recording tools, they can alter output. Finally, restart raw blocks so all adjustments take effect. This ensures you're changing real settings, not merely temporary visuals. Next, you move to the operating system and GPU controls to refine visibility. Open your GPU control panel and tweak digital vibrance or color boost. These change saturation without modifying game code. Then, enable or disable HDR and any night or blue light filters in your OS so you can compare which yields clearer shadows. If you're on a laptop, make sure raw blocks is assigned to the dedicated GPU. Finally, confirm your display uses the correct color depth and refresh rate. Those settings affect perceived brightness and detail. To finish, you lock in settings and verify across scenarios so changes are reliable. Test doors in different maps and times to ensure shadows and highlights remain readable. Make small tweaks as needed. Use accessibility features like contrast filters or the screen magnifier if you need consistent clarity, and enable subtitles for audio cues. If you encounter persistent visual glitches or crashes, collect logs, note exact steps to reproduce the issue, and report them to the developers so they can provide a fix or guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.